and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and those with eagle eyes will see that day 5 has been done. Now, technology can be wonderful and it can also be a royal pain in the rear. I've just done a whip and chat on this. It was only a short one, it was about 20 something minutes. I filmed this and then I filmed a second video after it, and for some reason the file for this one is corrupt, and I have tried as I may and I cannot get that file back. So the whip and chat for today happened, but unfortunately I can't show it you guys, but I can show you what I've completed. And I can show you something diamond painting related that I picked up today. So it is just a black square, so at least it wasn't something exciting. I did waffle on a little bit about Christmas. I have been out of the house this morning for the first time in over a month. We did pick up some lights for the conservatory and a couple of baubles, but there wasn't a lot of stuff out there. But what we did also pick up was this from the range. Now, they do have a few diamond painting kits. I'm just trying to see how we open this one. They have a few diamond painting kits in the store. They didn't have prices on any of them, and there wasn't any that grabbed me as being different. They did have some diamond dots, which were a lot more expensive than I expected the others to be, but there was no prices on them. And say, nothing grabbed me, but this I thought was a little bit different. So if you have a younger person in your life that maybe wants to give diamond painting a go, or likes arts and crafts at Christmas, because when mine were younger, we liked the arts and crafts at Christmas. It was something that we would do on Boxing Day, which is the day after Christmas in the UK. Oh, we've got tape all the way around. Let me get all the tape bits off, just so that we can get in this and have a proper look. Oh, it is crystals, and it comes with a few funky little bits. So we just get the standard. Okay, so you get a diamond painting pen with a little crystal on the end, and you get your wax. You get 6 different colours of crystals, which are, by the looks of it, oh yeah, they're just numbered 1 to 6, so it's quite simple. And you get to make this pretty little unicorn diary. So this was a cost of £9.99, and I thought it was quite sweet. So just to get the key open, just to show you, so you've got your pages and your dates, and then a few. Be kind even when no one is watching. Well, that's sweet. So you've got diary pages. Oh, you do have more. You are unstoppable. So it'll cover quite a few ages, this, I think, even if it's, you know, someone quite young that's just starting to write, they can draw pictures. Be yourself, everybody else is already taken. I like that. That's by Oscar Wilde. There's a few different ones. You're the sparkling star in someone's sky. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another step to greatness. That's Oprah Winfrey. So yeah, there's a few different quotes in there. Of course, it's hit and miss. It's kind of fun to do the impossible by Walt Disney. Believe in yourself. But nice diary, really. Quite sweet. And of course, you can pretty it all up. And then you do get a pen as well. And that's a writing pen. Oh, that's quite posh. Quite a nice tip to it. So you get a writing pen for writing in your diary, and then you get a little diamond painting pen to put your crystals on. You get a small amount of wax, and so you get the crystals as well, and they are numbered on the packets. So that's number 1, that's number 2, so they are numbered. I'm not even sure if you can see that properly. Let's try. one that's fuller. There we go. So that's number 6. I don't even think, oh, there we go. If I get the light shining right on it. So yeah, I picked that up today. I thought that would be something fun to show you that is available out there. I don't think I've particularly got somebody that I can give this to, but I'm sure, oh hang on, I haven't got the keys tied up in it. If I keep hold of it, I'm sure that there will be somebody that I find that this is perfect for if they show an interest in diamond painting and are young enough. This would probably suit my niece actually, she would like this. Maybe I need to try and send it that way. How did this go? Right, oh there we go. That went that way, that went there. That needs to go in there somewhere. We'll tuck it underneath. And then it can trap itself on the top. So yeah, there are more things coming out. It's becoming more of a popular craft, which is good for us diamond painters to know, especially if we have little people in our lives. And I'm really sorry that my whip and chat didn't save, and of course it was the one day when I didn't have to pause the video or save the video for anything, so that I'd at least have half of it. I've actually not got any of it, but there is another video coming out after this one. I think I'm going to put it up about an hour after this one goes up, because I did forget to do Fan Sales Friday yesterday, and that was me forgetting. So I have recorded Fan Sales Saturday, so there is an unboxing to come so that you have got a video, and maybe you can watch that video while you do your own advent calendar, if that's the way that you've been doing it. But yeah, I'm sorry that technology failed us this time. But what is a girl to do? I can't take all those diamonds off to redo it, even if they are all black, because I may end up running out and I don't have the time to do a whole whip and chat again and get a video up. But I will see you all tomorrow when I do square 6. And hopefully I have no more problems with memory cards or videos going forward. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.